This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now standing at platform 2 is the 1620 Stepford Express, service to Benton. Calling at Benton only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Your attention, please. The 1630 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 10 for the 1619 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane and Whitefield.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Benton. The next station will be Benton.
Stepford Connect service to Stepford. Please stand back from the platform.
We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Change here for trains to Connolly, Esterfield, Greenslade, Leighton City, Morganstown, Newry, Port Benton, and Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Benton. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.